Ever recorded an audio and wish that the sound was better? Have you ever watched those video podcasts or videos online where they're using the Shure MS-7b microphone or other mics? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can swap your existing mic for a studio quality mic all within your phone or device. Whether you're recording speech or music, the app we're going to look at can take care of it. Using this app will give you a much richer audio experience. If it's your first time here and you like videos like this one and videos on YouTube tips and the best apps to help you get online with video, then consider subscribing and hit that bell icon and you'll get notified as soon as I release new videos. Right, let's get started. The app we're going to look at today is called Mic Swap Video and Audio Effects. There is another one. I'll mention the others at the end. The app allows you to take existing audio from the video or music or speech and enhance it and give you a studio quality sound. If you're not familiar with these mics, the Shure MS-7b is around £300 or £400 or dollars, and the Rode NTG is around £500. The app also provides access to more vintage mics if you prefer this type of sound. It also provides access to a megaphone. So basically you can record your audio and then separate the parts that you want with different mics. This app allows you to change your mic selection on speech and music. There are 14 different mics to choose from for speech and 8 different mics to choose from for music. Most of the mics are industry standard and are used in major recording studios. Once you open the app, you'll need to give it the relevant permissions to access your photo library or camera roll. Then simply use the plus button on the top right to select the video from your library. It will then say your project is now ready for some serious audio improvement. Press the start button. Your video is now imported. In the grey timeline here, you will see your audio. You can then use your finger to scrub along the grey area and then select the part that you want to change or swap the mic. The app allows you to select different mics at different points in the video, speech or music. So for example, you can have 3 mics during one video. You could have 7 mics if you want to. So what you need to do is select the mic you want to change. So if you select a mic and then you want to change your mind, then scrub along the grey bar again here to the point you want to change the mic in this example. Then press the blue button, select the mic you want, and then the job is done. As simple as that. Once you've finished and you're happy with your enhanced audio and your mic selection, simply press the export button on the top right corner here and save it to your camera roll or photo gallery. There are 2 versions of this app: Mic Swap Audio FX Editor and then Mic Swap Video Pro Editor. Mic Swap Video Audio Effects Editor is a monthly subscription app, and then Mic Swap Video Pro Audio Editor is a one-time purchase, basically no subscription. Both apps are the same, just one has a monthly subscription and the other one has a one-time fee. Now, I know some of you like totally free apps, and so most of them are free to start with. Sometimes they charge the more they advance. This app provides you with access to studio grade microphones, all from your device. So with the development and ongoing support, this is a paid or subscribed app. Now you don't have to use an app like this, but sound, you would agree, is very important. You can deal with a poor picture, but dealing with poor sound is a lot harder. You'll notice the more you watch videos, how important sound is. So this is well worth the investment. In a previous video, I demonstrated the Dolby On app. Dolby On is a noise reduction and enhancement app. Now, if you couple the two together, Dolby On at the moment is a free app. If you couple the two together and you enhance your mic that you swapped even more, you get a really rich sound just from your mobile device. The link to the Dolby On app is in the card above and the description below. Well, I hope you found this video interesting and informative. I make videos like this one to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals and creators just like yourself get online with video. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I deliver more videos just like this one, and hit the bell icon and you'll get notified as soon as I release new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Whether you're recording, can you say weather? Weather. Steve! This weather. Whether you record, let's just say weather.